Hello, everyone. I'm Marcus. I'm the head of community at Coin98. Even though I can't make it to NEARCON in person, I'm glad to have this opportunity to virtually share about our company, what we have accomplished, and what we are building for a new ecosystem. First of all, I would love to introduce our super wallet first, and then I'll talk about our decentralized app store. So without further ado, let's get started. Um, Launching since 2020, Coin98 Super Wallet built by Vietnamese builders is a non-custodial and DeFi gateway that offers multi-chain wallet engine, built-in the app browser, multiple languages, and optimized gas fee. Over the past 3 years, we have accomplished quite a lot of traction from the market. We are serving more than 7 million users on over 170 countries with more than 70 blockchains and 15,000 compatible apps supported. We have served 34 million addresses that generates 800 million trading volumes with 6 million transactions all over the world. Especially in our mobile app, we have the app browser section that allows users to access to exchanges, liquidity providing or launchpad or new farming services right in their pocket on the go. At Coin98, we are dedicated to providing our users with the very best one-stop experience in the pursuit of the vision to make Web3 accessible for everyone. That's why we have adopted the B.O.S technology to build our decentralized app store. With near B.O.S, we can create a user-friendly interface thanks to its composability while enabling decentralization under the hood. The App Store offers hassle-free interaction with the most exciting L2s in the market. So for now, users that are interested in exploring new layer 2 and DeFi ecosystem can find applications, cross-chain bridging, money market, and decentralized exchanges right in one single interface. And soon we will expand our collection to offer even more ecosystem in the apps because B.O.S greatly reduced the development process. It enables a fast and scalable way to integrate with new applications. And all of the showcase the apps on the Coin98 gateway are front-end components with their code securely stored on-chain via NEAR. So this approach will enable direct interaction with the smart contracts on the original chains that will provide a user-friendly and fully decentralized app store experience. The Coin98 decentralized app store will demonstrate the power of B.O.S to improve the Web3 user experience, and it will effectively solve the persistent challenges of the complex onboarding and the fragmented user experience in the Web3 space. B.O.S takes a center stage as a solution that streamlines the onboarding process, providing user a friendly and efficient gateway for both new and experienced users. And for now, I would be sharing the demo on our mobile app. On the home screen, and then you can look at bottom the globe icon with the browser. That our app browser with the B.O.S menu on the top right. If you don't see it, you can swipe right to access it. Now we try with Maverick. Then connect to the site. And you can see the interface for Maverick on our app decentralized application store. With Maverick, we can try with some swapping MAV token to USDC. Then it just works normally, like you access it from directly with the website. But now it's right in the decentralized app store of Coin98, and then more than that, you can connect to other app as well. Yeah, that's it. Apart from the mobile app, we also have the web version. You can access to the web version at theapps.coin98.com. Then you'll see B.O.S to the top left, and a second to the top left. then the interface will show exactly the similar choices like this that would show on the app available for you to access. Right now, for now, it will be L2 and other DeFi products on those L2s. But later on, we will expand to more ecosystem later on. And thank you guys for listening. That's all of my presentation about our products. We love to connect you on the NEAR Builder. So feel free to reach out at hi@coin98.com. We love to explore how we can further grow together.